Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, we have revised Unit 1 and 2. Today we are going to revise Unit 3 and that is plants. Let's go and begin our today's lesson. Dear students, we have learnt that plants are living things. And how plants are living things? Because all the things that can grow, breathe, move and change are living things. So that plants are living things because plants can grow and change in shape and sizes. A plant needs 4 things to grow very well. And what are these 4 things? Tell me, hurry up. Yes, good soil, air, water and sunlight. If we provide all these 4 things to a plant, only then a plant can grow very well. Yes, good. Now let's learn and revise about the 4 main parts of a plant. Yes, you can see this yellow beautiful part of a plant. What is this part called? Flower. Yes, this is a flower. And these are 4 leaves. Yes, leaf. This thin part of a plant is called its stem. Yes. Okay, let's go to these white part of the these are not white for all plants, but here you can see white roots. These are the roots. Okay, dear students, I hope you have learnt about the needs and the 4 main parts of the plants. Okay, let's go and learn some kinds of plants also. Dear students, we have learnt about different kinds of plants like green plants, non-green plants, creepers, shrubs and herbs. First of all, we will talk about green plants. Most of the plants we can see around us are green in color. Green plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight. Now let's talk about non-green plants. Some plants are not green in color. Like you can see in this picture, you can see this mushrooms and puffballs. These are not green in color, so they cannot make their own food. They get their food from the dead plants. Okay, dear students? Now let's talk about some more kinds of plants like creepers. You can see these creepers. These plants are called creepers because they creep along the trunk of a tree or the wall or anything you put near to them. They creep on them upwards. So these plants are called creepers. These creepers have very weak stems. As you can see, you can hardly see their stems because these stems are very much weak and thin, so we cannot see them clearly. And these creepers with weak stems can grow along the ground and around the other plants or along the wall or something you can put besides them. Okay, creepers examples are watermelon, pumpkin and sweet potato and and there are many more and other creepers also. Okay, let's talk about herbs now. Herbs are leafy plants. You have seen mint and coriander, green coriander in your house, in your kitchen, in your mama's hand. So these are called herbs. Okay, mint and coriander, and there are many other herbs also like parsley, like basil. So these herbs have very good fragrance and smell, and they can be used in food for fragrance and for flavor also. Okay students, I hope you have learnt about different kinds of plants. Now let's go and revise about some other kinds of plants. Dear students, let's talk about some other kinds of plants. Shrubs. Shrubs are very bushy small plants. They have many leaves and branches. Shrubs do not grow as tall as trees. Some examples of shrubs are rose, jasmine, tulsi, lemon and croton, and there are many other shrubs also. Trees. I hope, dear students, you have known about trees very well and you have seen many trees around you. Trees are very tall and woody plants. All the plants that are tall and woody are called trees. They usually have stem, and that stem is called trunk. There are some examples of trees like mango tree, like apple tree, like fern, like palms, like pines. Okay, there are many trees around us. We can see many trees, and these trees are very tall. There are some fruit trees, or there are some trees that they do not have any fruit also. Now dear students, we have finished our explanation and revision of Unit 3 plants. Now let's go and revise some question answers you have written in your science notebook. So let's begin. Our question number 1 was, what does a plant need to grow well? You have just revised. Tell me the 4 things that plant needs to grow well. Yes, good. Good soil, air, water and sunlight. Question number 2. What are herbs? Yes, herbs are small plants with short stems like mint and like parsley. What are shrubs? Yes, I just told you shrubs are bushy plants with branches. Yes, very good. Shrubs are bushy plants with branches. Okay, now you have to choose the correct answer and circle it also. You have given 3 options and one of these 3 options is correct. You have to choose it. Okay, I'm going to read. Just listen to me carefully. Number 1, new plants grow from dash, roots, flowers or seeds. Yes, seeds. Number 2, green plants need sunlight to make their dash. What can green plants make by using sunlight? Food, water or air? Yes, food. Green plants can make food by using sunlight. Number 3, herbs are small plants with dash, with short stems, with many leaves and branches or with hard stems. Yes, well done. Short stems. Which of the following is not a fruit? Watermelon, rose or mango? Yes, good. Rose, because watermelon and mango is a fruit. Rose is a flower. So, the correct answer you have to choose is rose. Yes. Okay, dear students, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you have learned and you will learn it well by heart. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.